Let's practice radical equations. Again, I have unknown under the radical sign. I have to eliminate the radical. In order to eliminate radical, I have to raise that radical to the power. The question is what power? Index is equal to my power. So anytime I do not have any number over here, there is always invisible 2. That's why the radical has to be raised to the second power. Whatever I did on the left side, I have to do also on the right side. This exponent is going to eliminate my radical. And I have a equals 25, because 5 to the second power is 25. Let's verify my answer. Instead of a in my original equation, I'm going to write 25. That's why I have square root of 25 is equal 5. Square root of 25 is equal 5 equals 5. Left side is equal to the right side of my radical equation. That's why the answer to my problem is a equals 25. Let's take a look at this example. Again, we have unknown under the radical sign. In order to find this unknown, in this case y, I have to eliminate the radical. Remember, anytime you want to eliminate radical, you're supposed to raise this radical to the power which is equal to the index. Anytime I have no index over here, it means there is always invisible 2. That's why I'm going to raise this expression to the second power. Whatever I did on the right side, I have to do also on the left side. 9 to the second power is equal 81. Equals, this exponent is going to eliminate my radical. And I have y plus 4. I'm looking for y. Okay, because I have 4 added to y, I have to move this 4 to the other side because I do not have y to 4. I want to just keep y on my right side. So that's why I have 81 minus 4 is equal y. 81 minus 4 is equal 77 equals y. Now let's check if this is my solution. Now I'm going to write 77 instead of y in my original equation. That's why I'm going to have 9 equals square root 77 plus 4. I have 9 equals square root 77 plus 4 is equal 81. So I have 9 equals square root of 81 is equal 9. As you can see, left side of my equation is equal to the right side of my radical equation. That's why the solution to my problem is y equals 77.